If you film weddings and events, then I found the most perfect video light for you. Lumecube panel light. This thing is small, it's got a built-in battery, it is perfect, mobile. I'm gonna talk all about it. Check this out. What's up guys, Megan from Camera to Freedom. If you use your camera to take photos and videos and make YouTube content so that you can live a life of freedom, then hit that like and subscribe and let's go. So today's video, I wanted to talk about the most perfect light for wedding videography. I have been shooting weddings for over 20 years, a long time, and I've gone through so many different lights, and I make a lot of video lights also. I got mono lights, I got the big panel lights, tiny lights, you can name it. I have so many different lights, but finally I think I found the most perfect video light because it is small, it fits on my bag, it has a built-in battery that lasts for an hour and a half. So this Lumecube Studio panel light kit, this whole thing, this is all you're gonna need, okay? So not only does it come with this dope bag, it comes with two panel lights, and look how tiny they are. A lot of my panel lights, they're kind of big, so this is tiny, that it actually fits in my camera bag. I could just slide it in there, very portable, and that's what I need. During my wedding gigs, I don't take this whole bag with me, I just take this and the tripod that it comes with. One of the cool features is that it has a built-in battery. At 100%, it lasts about an hour and 30 minutes, hour and a half. That's a long time. I don't use it at 100%. Obviously, because at weddings, you don't want to blast the area with strong light, ruining the mood, which I have seen some videographers do in the past where they just light the whole room just so that they can get their shot. But you don't want to do that. You don't want to ruin the mood. You don't want to blind anybody. You just want to make sure that the person that you're filming is lit up, and that's it. There's a little barn door that opens up like this. It has a diffuser in the front. So I know that a lot of the panel lights that I have, you could take out the diffuser and become stronger because of the less barrier that it has, but it's got the diffuser making the light soft. That's a plus. That rechargeable battery, that's the game changer. And look how thin it is. It's small, it's super thin. You got the dial on the side to make it strong or weaker, and then you got the bicolor. You could make it warmer or cooler. The stuff that it comes with. So I got two of these lights in this bag. It also comes with two of this tripod. Now this is awesome. I have a lot of these smaller tripods that I buy on Amazon. Of course, I'm gonna have the link below, the Amazon link below for this thing. First off, it's small, so a lot of my backpack has a strap for it. This thing will fit on the side right here. See how it doesn't take up much space, and it folds up into this, it's kind of thin. And I love how it folds in a way where the length is also small as well too. I have a handful of different ones, small ones, big ones, really big ones. And they are all kind of massive. Even the cheap Amazon ones that I have, they are still kind of long. So then it doesn't fit too well, but I love how small this light is. Very easy. I love how it can be so flat that it extends out. So when you put it on the ground, it has even more stability. So it comes with two of these tripods for your light. It comes with of course, the charger to charge your light. It comes with an adapter, so you could put it on your tripod, and then this end goes on your light. And this is kind of cool because it does come with a little stopper, a little nub right here that will prevent the light from like spinning around. So that's really cool, but any adapter will work, of course. So the cool thing about the fact that it comes with two is that normally when you light up a subject, sometimes I use just one light to light the subject, but a lot of the times I love to use two. I love the main light coming at 45 degrees, and my second light would kind of light up the left side. Light is on, so that's kind of giving me this warm glow on the left side, but if I didn't have that light on, then it would look like this, right? It's just completely dark. So the second light source will fill up the left side, so that way it doesn't become completely dark like this, and you'll give it a, make sure the setting is a lot weaker than the one in the front. So this might be at 80% and the one on the left might be at 30%. So that we can also give you that side light that you need, a fill light. It's a little bit of balance. So this bag already is really neat because it comes with, it fits everything in here, and it's got room to put more stuff in here. In case you've never used a panel light with barn doors, it's really neat because you can actually control the direction of the light. You could keep it wide open and just have the light just flood out all the way through, or you could just narrow it down, focus on just that area, right? You could just point and just kind of aim right here, or you could just open it up and just light the whole thing. right? So it has that option, and right now it's very warm, and you can control the temperature just like that. I definitely recommend this if you are an event videographer, or even if you want to light up your studio and you need 2 lights. Not only will this plug charge your battery, but you can actually just keep it plugged in. So if you are doing like a long interview, long studio shoot like this, then you could just have it plugged in and not have to worry about the battery dying. And here is the remote for you to use. This remote is cool. You could turn it on, turn it off, and then all of a sudden you need it back on because the couple is getting ready for their first dance. Then instead of running up and pulling it down and turning it on, you could just simply use the remote, get it out of your pocket, turn it on, and then boom, you're good to go. Very useful to have this remote, very useful for this light. Discount code and link below. And if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. All right guys, if you guys watched it all the way through, thank you so much for that. Please hit that like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Just if you have any questions about photography, video, drone, anything about lights, then just let me know. I would love to talk with you and answer your questions. And also go to cameratofreedom.com. That's my website. Hook me up with your email so I can send you more free stuff, giveaways and tutorials for photography, video, drone, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's, as I'm getting older, my life is all about just spreading the word news, just try to share as much as I can. You know, I mean, it feels good. It really does. So anyways, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time.